Welcome to our ultimate guide on how to use IPTV effectively and enjoyably. What is IPTV? Let's start with the basics of this amazing streaming service. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television, allowing you to stream content online. Now let's talk about where to find reliable IPTV providers for your needs. One of the best IPTV providers available is .2tv.store for its fantastic service. To begin, visit 2tv.store and sign up for a subscription that suits you. After signing up, it's time to download the IPTV app on your device of choice. For Android users, search for IPTV Player in the Google Play Store. For iOS users, visit the App Store and find an IPTV app compatible with iPhones. Once the app is installed, open it and enter your subscription details provided by 2tv.store. Now, you should be presented with a sleek interface displaying all available channels. Explore the interface to find live TV, movies, shows, and sports events easily. Customize your experience using features like favorites and watch lists for convenience. Remember to check your internet connection for the best streaming quality and experience. In conclusion, using IPTV opens up a world of entertainment at your fingertips. Make sure to subscribe to w.2tv.store for a seamless IPTV experience and support. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more exciting streaming guides ahead.